Introducing the Transformer 2, luxury at its finest. The remote-operated Transformer 2 automatically folds and unfolds at the push of a button. This top-selling electric travel scooter is compact and lightweight. At only 53 pounds, the Transformer 2 can be easily loaded into the back of most vehicles. The Transformer 2 has a futuristic design with a powder-coated aluminum frame and a stylish geometric rear shroud that brings an updated contemporary look to the well-loved scooter. Transformer 2 features a roomy cushioned seat, complete with folding armrests for comfort. The two-way adjustable tiller can be customized as needed to find your perfect fit. And now with front and rear suspension, you can always expect a smooth and pleasant ride. Operating the Transformer 2 is simple and safe using the keyed control unit with paddle acceleration, speed control, horn, and a USB charger. The modern digital display monitors the battery life and includes a trip odometer and speedometer. The powerful, durable, and stable Transformer 2 is designed to take you where you need to go, both day and night. Just turn on the LED headlight to light the way. Once folded, the Transformer 2's unique design allows you to roll the scooter as you would a suitcase, making the Transformer 2 perfect for travel on planes, trains, cruise ships, buses, RVs, or automobiles. The Transformer 2 comes with a lightweight, powerful lithium-ion battery that meets all FAA guidelines for airline travel, and the impressive 13-mile battery range is sure to get you through a full day of adventures. The battery's compact design makes it easy for you to carry a spare to double your distance. Charging your scooter has never been easier, with the charging port now located on the control pod, with an easy reach, no bending required. The Transformer 2 automatic electric folding scooter is simply the most innovative folding scooter on the market today. It's compact, easy to use, transport, and store. Call your local Transformer dealer today to begin your path to a happier, more mobile future.
Enhance mobility, enhance your